In this video, I will show you how to make accounts on Etsy. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to create an account on Etsy, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to etsy.com. Once you're on the website, if you come up to the top, you're going to see a sign in button. Just go ahead, give that a click. What it's going to do is bring up a window like this. On this window, if you come up to the top, you're going to see the register button. Give that a click and then you can proceed to create your account. So what you need to do is input an email address, your first name, and choose a password. Once you've done that, there is a box you can tick if you want to receive exclusive offers, unique gift ideas, and personalized tips for shopping and selling on Etsy. So if you want to do that, go ahead and tick the box. And then what you want to do is just come down and click onto the register button just down here. After a minute or two, the page is going to refresh just like so. And as you can see, we've now got our account created and ready to use Etsy. So that is how to make account on Etsy. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.